Welcome back to the channel. Quick update on the woodworking workshop. I made it. I finally placed all the items I wanted, the tools, table, and you can also see in the background the dust collector. Okay, this is the dust collector. It can be connected directly or with that small barrel whenever I have to collect a lot of let's say chips, and it goes 4 inches pipe. I use the PVC rigid pipes because it's easier and cheaper as well to make a dust collection system with that. I had those old gates, handmade gates. So this is my original table saw. By the way, this is a guard I made. And the planer, and this is also a jig I made because whenever you put a plank, you don't want the plank to go up in the knives. And again, gates. And also I made all that wiring with PVC. Identification made. I had one 20 amps circuit. The other one on the left is a 50 amps. I updated also the 220 volt system. There was a plug in some kind of a breaker here, so I kept one twist lock, which I don't need, and combined this to this 20 amps outlet plugs for that bandsaw. One more gate. This is my late father-in-law table saw. It got router on the side, and obviously, and this is a King King Industrial. That's a good brand, actually very good brand. And my table saw is a General International, almost as good, let's say so. You can see components are pretty much the same. And also I had a router here, so I can use the fans for the router or the other one. And I have my work table on wheels, tool chest, storage for the hand tools, the radial saw, another gate, bandsaw, another gate for this one. This is mine. This is my late father-in-law table saw. This is was a creation from my father-in-law. I keep it as a souvenir. Press drill, and those countertops with drawers was made by my father-in-law, so I keep them preciously. That's another let's see, I don't know how you can call it. So you have all sort of stuff in there. One other trick on wheels, small barrel, very old and thick barrel, when it doesn't even sound like tin. So you can collect all the clamps. I made this support for the very, very long clamps. And This is the corner I'm left to organize. This should be wood rack. Cantilever on this side should be for panels rack as well. I'm there. Mission accomplished. And I needed one tool chest, and I was missing one because I have one in the house, one here, and it was a good walk to go into the garage. So I had to get a new chest, a tool chest. So now this is a tool chest. Whew. Eh? It's 5 foot tall and it's 58 inches wide, not 54 inches wide. So this is a Husky. This is the one, the brand I had previously. They made good affordable chest for the let's say occasional use. It's not for mechanics, but they work very well anyways. So this is it for today. It's late, very late. So see you in the next time.